Hi, I'm Laverne, and I was asked would I share 10 tips from what I've learned from TikTok. And before I refer to my notes, because I want to stay within my train of thoughts, because sometimes you ramble off and you lose track of time. But let me say this. TikTok is a very intelligent Google type search engine. It's like what you put in, you can get it out. But there is a strategy that you really need to have. And one of them is you need to, let me go all the way to the very basic. You need to click every button, learn what everything means before you even start working on a video. Sure, you can just post a video. You may not get results, and who knows, you could just blow up. But let's calm down and let's talk about the fundamentals of the video. Number one, once you get a concept or an idea in your mind for a video on TikTok, you need to make sure you got your title, you got hashtags and keywords. And I would say keep your hashtags to 5 because you don't want to confuse the algorithm. Get 10 keywords and 3 hooks, and find the hook that you feel like that relates to what you're doing. Now you can go to Creator Insights, and to me, I would recommend using Creator Insights because if you go click, once you get in it from the top where it say content gap, it's telling you what TikTok need more of those, and the videos is trending upward in the red. I suggest you film from inside Creators Insight, which will help you with your video getting pushed out more. The next thing I want to say is look at what other people doing to kind of get ideas. If you're not inside of your search insights, the next thing is do short videos until you get to 10,000 followers. So do 5 to 7 seconds and make sure everything I've already said, you got your title, hashtags, and your keywords ready to go. Make sure that video stay within that, because that way when a person is looking at your video, most likely they're going to stay on the video all the way through. Then to go start with long videos. That is very crucial and very important. The next thing I would suggest, and I'm getting ready to do it, is to go live. So that way you can get gifts as well as build your community and build a relationship with people that will come to you more often. The other thing is look at all the other monetizations that TikTok offers. I myself have just found out that I was eligible to even do the artist program. So that's another stream of income. Another thing I learned, that once you get past 1,000 followers, brands will start coming to you. So you're going to have a choice to work with other brands, which will create you another stream of income. So there's some great opportunities and some good things that I've learned. Let me suggest this. Also, if a video not doing good, not right away, but let's say 2 weeks in, 3 weeks in, give the algorithm time to get the feel of what you're talking about. Make sure that you delete it and repost it, because sometimes you pick up extra views. And the last tip I want to share with you is watch the scammers. Watch the people that tell you, come to my room, I got something for you. And then they give you this fake number of followers, which could hurt you and get you banned. And even though I'm talking about the 10 things I've learned from TikTok, it also applies to other platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Make sure you learn the buttons, what the purpose is, what the rules, the policies is, so you don't get in trouble with your work that you've done. So I hope this have helped you. It's fun. Don't get carried away with all of the do it this way, do it that way, if this work, if that don't work. One quick tip: use trending sounds. You're gonna have fun. So I look forward to seeing you. I'm Bella Our Day. That is the hook for TikTok. Now on YouTube, it's Laverne Adikun Lee. So I look forward to seeing you.